time during the ceremony, a very crowd of people. So people they go in and out using these, steps. Because the doors are very small, it would be crowded. So people coming in and out using this tape.
So that's not where people sit. That's where they walk.
They walk here to come in and out. Yeah.
Oh wow, let's go check this. Yeah, let's go check it out.
Yeah, we go to the church.
Kim,
What's up there? Are we going
this is a
that
good
way?
one, Kim. Oh, I was gonna say get a picture of us up here.
Oh yeah.
This is a big tree. It's more than 100 years, or not more than 150 years. Where it grows,
This is interesting. Man, is that the church over there, or what is that?
This compound is super big.
Hey, look at this.
Let's take our time, we don't have time. We go to the church, just come here.
Come on up, folks. Come on up.
Okay, come, let's start.
Never had nothing
We
like
don't have time.
Can't wait to have some more. And this is a big tree. I could never imagine a big tree that long.
Ouch, just hit me on the head.
Okay.
Never imagine a big tree that size.
All right, you can.
Okay, some of our kings, they had a horse. For their horse, they gave them a name. And the famous horse of King Fasilides, the founder of Gondar, he had the horse by the name Zobel. He's a hybrid Arabian and African horse. He's a long horse. When the king's horse died, he made a mausoleum for the horse there. And like yours, he's said to be buried underneath there, that conical tower. Yeah, there is any excavation, but they said that the king's horse is buried there. Yeah. ምንም ነገር የለውም ያው እዚህ ምንም።
How long would you would imagine it take to build the mausoleum for the horse? Not
Yeah,
so long.
it's not written, maybe. You can imagine.
Probably not that long.
Yeah, maybe like
But it's beautiful. But it lasts for so long.
maybe 3.5 year or something like 6 months.
How old is that tree there?
More than 250 years old. Yeah, 250. Yeah. Now we go to the church. Yeah, you can take a picture from here. There is nothing inside. It's like a building like that.
Look at the other tree, Kitty. The other tree. Massive.
Yeah. Really nice.
You shouldn't miss that church. It's an amazing church.
World Heritage
Feel
Site.
like you are in heaven
Because of the
inside
painting.
that church.
Okay.
That's a blessing,
Hey, just a note on Arabian horses. They were originally cultivated by Ethiopians, not Arabs.
Oh, okay. Their horses
word
were
Arabian-
very large. Very large.
Etymology is in the language. Ethiopian.
Exactly. That's what I was asking earlier. The first Arabians were the Ethiopians.
Exactly.
Since
You know the history. Since the beginning.
And again, recall Yemen was Ethiopia.
And these Asian or Sister Houston referred to them as Semites. Came down and invaded
The Nubian woodpecker.
Arabia.
On the tree is climbing.
You said a Nubian woodpecker?
Yeah, Nubian woodpecker.
What is that?
Nubian woodpecker. You see the tree here? There is a woodpecker, a bird.
Oh, parrot. See the beautiful parrot?
The other side. Yeah, you missed. There is a woodpecker. It's going the other side. You see? She's climbing.
عندنا برد
Yeah.
عندك
عندك.
من ده
The lovebirds are endemic as well. That's a Watson ABC. See the sound? It's endemic bird as well. Inside the building is empty. That's why we don't go inside. There is nothing inside. Okay. I'm done.